In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix can't trade problem on Steam. If you are seeing errors when you try to send or receive trade offers, it usually comes down to account security and eligibility settings that Steam requires for safety. We'll walk through what to check, why it matters, and how long you may need to wait so your trades can go through smoothly. First, make sure Steam Guard is enabled and has been active for at least 15 days. Steam won't allow trading on accounts that don't meet this security window. In the Steam client, go to Settings, then Security, and open Manage Steam Guard to confirm it's on. If you just turned it on, the timer starts now, and you'll need to wait the full 15 days before trading is allowed. Avoid turning Steam Guard off during that period because doing so can reset the clock. Next, remove the limited status from your account. New or unfunded accounts can't trade until at least $5 have been spent in the Steam store. Any eligible purchase works, like buying a game, adding wallet funds, or purchasing a gift. Once that purchase fully processes, the limited status is lifted automatically. Depending on your payment method, it may take a short time to clear. So don't worry if it doesn't update instantly. To prevent long holds on every transaction, enable the Steam Guard mobile authenticator and keep it active on your phone for at least 7 days. This adds an extra layer of security and allows you to confirm trade offers quickly. After you turn it on, expect a 7-day wait before trades become instant. If you remove the authenticator, switch phones without transferring it, or reinstall it, the waiting period can restart. So try to keep it consistently enabled on the same device. Also, check your privacy settings to make sure your profile and inventory are visible. Go to your profile, select Edit Profile, then Privacy Settings and set both your profile and your inventory to public. If either is private, other users can't view your items or send valid trade offers. You can keep other areas of your account as private as you prefer. The key is making your profile and inventory visible for trading. After making these changes, give Steam a moment to update. Logging out and back in or restarting the client can help refresh your status. From there, it's mostly about waiting out the required timers. At least 15 days with Steam Guard enabled. A minimum of $5 spent to remove limited status and 7 days with the mobile authenticator for instant trades. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.